guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a diaper bag review. So in case you guys are looking for a diaper bag, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open this one. Pull the diaper here. You can see. So this is the diaper bag and it's really so here is one.
What's this?
It's a diaper bag. So it has a lot of pockets. That's really good. So here's the pocket. So this one comes into a baby changing station. So this portion we can make it a baby changing station. You can see that's really good part. It's really a good one that you can change the diaper bag into a baby changing station. Then you can fold it. And you can fold this one. This is really easy. And keep this one. Now we can keep this one. Now we can zip it. Yeah. So that's what. Here is one. So here is the buckle. You can buckle it. This is another half package. Let's open this one. So now we can see here is another package, and it's covered with like the aluminum stuff. So even if something fall down, still it will not create any mess to the bag. So that's good. It's easily wipe. You can easily wipe this thing. You can put your bottles. Yeah. This thing which keep the bag clean. Here is just a slip-on pocket where you can put something. This one also one pocket. This side also one pocket. This side also one pocket. This one. Yeah. This one you can see like already. And there is here is one pocket also. This is one pocket, and this is inside. There is another pocket. So which is like a waterproof. This pocket to put anything. So there is two. One is here. So one is here. You can see, and one is here. So one pocket is here. One pocket is here. Inside this in the back portion is some like little bit cushion, and this is a slip-on pocket, and this is a zipper here, one zipper, and there is another zipper. So 2 zipper and 2 bottle holder or anything you can put 2 bottle, and here is one this shape. So this shape also I really like. So it can easily accessible. You can easily access any thing. It's not like a regular bag. It's like a open pocket type. So you can easily access anything. That's a really good part, and its quality is also really nice. Stitches and everything looks very perfect. It feels very smooth. And this thing, and the back portion, this portion is cushion, so it will not hurt your bag. Put your keys or anything. And open this one. Then you can put this thing, put this cushion, and you can change the baby's diaper. So this is where you can put the baby and you can change the diaper with the diaper bag. Yeah, this is really great for option for the babies. Yeah, and this portion is cushion, and this is the like really a cushion. So now I can close it. Do it like this way. Diaper bag is really great one. In case you guys are looking for a diaper bag for you or to gift someone, to your sister, your friend or colleague, anyone, this one is like a really great option for a diaper bag. Yeah, I don't have seriously any complaint for this bag, and this one is like really awesome. The quality is really great and it's really easy and convenient to access, because in some diaper bag it's really difficult to access the stuff, but here they designed in such a way that everything is like really easy to access, and designed in an innovative way, so that in one bag you can find everything for your baby. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.